Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check the best time to post on TikTok. Tap to TikTok and go in the profile icon in the right below. So now in the profile icon you will go in the TikTok studio. So now click in the first analytics. So you will just in analytics you will just find in viewers and scroll and you will find the just time. So from here I will not daily user of TikTok, so I will can't show the time, you will see, but in future I will just see from here most active times, so you will see the active time and just post it on time to get viral. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.